work, darn it. You ever struggle to play with a pendulum? I'm going to show you a few tips on how to make it work for you. Please show me yes. Notice how it changed? The key is to give it time because your energy needs to match the vibration. Please show me no. When I first started using the pendulum, it wouldn't work for me. It would just go wonky back and forth. And I realize now it was because of my energy and maybe not believing in myself, in the pendulum. I didn't really believe it. But when I started suspending disbelief and trusting and trying different things, it would work for me. And I still always use the same thing when I begin, whether I've done it a million times or not. I always ask the basic questions to find out if this is the tool that's going to work for me right now. Please show me yes. Thank you. Please show me no. You'll notice my hand did not move a lot. You might say that it did, but I'm really trying to hold my hand as neutral and still as possible. So give it a try. Play around with it. Do it when you know your energy is feeling most aligned. And the more you practice, the easier it will get. That's it for today.